If you are a VMware architect and you work for a VMware cloud service provider, then you should not miss your opportunity on the 10th and 11th of October to visit us for the Architecture Think Tank in Frankfurt in Germany. We are going to host our second Architecture Think Tank of the year. The US one, beginning of June, was a huge success. Feedback was overwhelming, and we are going to run the EMEA edition on the 10th and 11th of October in Frankfurt. It's actually following the challenge day, so if you want to have both the hands-on experience and the architecture experience, you can attend both as well. Then it's basically starting from Tuesday to Friday. How are these events going to run? It's very simple. You come with your idea, challenges, and everything else. We have some design scenarios, and then together as a group, we are going to look at these design scenarios and how we can actually address them and solve them. Last time in Austin, we finished off with the idea on how would the ideal greenfield VCF deployment in the new Broadcom, VMware by Broadcom era look like. So I hope that I'm going to see you in October in Frankfurt. And I hope that you will attend the Architecture Think Tank. All more details are down below in a link below the video or in the comments. And let me know what you think and if you're going to attend. Hope to see you in Frankfurt.